If you've ever wondered what an index fund is and why so many long-term investors rave about them, you've come to the right place. The great thing about index funds is they allow you to invest in multiple great companies as opposed to having to choose individual stocks. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to go over what an index fund is and how index funds have become such a great option and such a popular option for new investors. Let's get into it. An index fund is an investment fund that's designed to track the performance of a specific market index. A market index is simply a group of investments used to measure how a particular part of the market is performing. For example, an index fund that tracks the S&P 500 invests in companies that make up the S&P 500 index. That means when you invest in that index fund, you're investing in hundreds of companies at once instead of trying to choose just one. Now, one of the biggest advantages of index funds is diversification. Imagine trying to pick an individual company that you think is going to do well over the next 20 or 30 years. You're probably going to sit there and analyze every single day if that was actually a good investment. And individual stock picking is an incredibly difficult thing to do, and oftentimes many experts even get it wrong. Index funds take a different approach. Instead of betting on one single company, you own a smaller piece of many more companies. If one company struggles, the rest of the companies in that fund help to spread out risk. You're not putting all of your eggs in one basket. Another reason index funds are popular is that they're generally passively managed. That means the fund isn't trying to beat the market by consistently buying and selling stocks. Instead, it aims simply to match the performance of the index it's tracking. Because there's less buying and selling, index funds often have lower fees than actively managed funds, allowing more of your money to stay invested over time. So here's a quick recap. An index fund is designed to track a market such as the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick individual winning stocks, you are investing in a larger group of companies at once. That gives diversification and you've got less risk because you're not investing in one single company. And it often comes with lower fees than actively managed funds. As always, every investment does carry risk, so you are going to want to do your research before picking a particular index fund. If this video helped you understand index funds a little bit better, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you want me to cover index funds in more detail, let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.